Have you been wondering, should you do team driving or should you do solo driving on your own? Today, I'm going to answer that question for you. Alright, welcome back to So Truck and What. To all my people that been watching my videos, I appreciate it. To all my new people out there, please subscribe. Help me out. Today we're gonna talk about team driving versus solo driving. I done did both of them. They both had their pros and cons. All right, I'm gonna start off with team driving. Now, team driving, typically you can make more money as a team because, like I said on a video, another video that I did, when the truck basically not moving, you're not getting paid. When you teaming, you basically always move because when the other driver don't have no time to drive, the other driver do, so the wheels keep on turning. And it's kind of like the pay that you get, it's kind of like a split. So say for instance, if they say that you got $1 pay, they'll split it down the middle. It'll be like 50 cents per mile for this driver, and the other driver that's with you, they get 50 cents per mile too. So it get paying out to be pretty good, just depending on how what kind of work you're doing or whatever. Um, Now the cons to doing team driving is, man, the person that you with, if they don't have good hygiene, man, they can be stinking up the truck, or they can be like not cleaning up the truck, constantly having dirty stuff all over the place. And man, I can tell you, people bump heads on that stuff all the time. Another thing is people attitude. Some people can have bad attitude. One minute they could be good. The next minute they might have a bad attitude, be pissed off about something. You don't know what be wrong with them or whatever, and y'all be the bumping heads again because the attitude or whatever. Then another thing is work ethic. Some people work ethic be different. Some people they like work, they like gonna get it. They grind, they gonna get it. Okay. Then there's some people they just gonna do enough to get by. They slackers. Like I can give you an example. Like what happened with me is I ended up with a driver. He was kind of spoiled. He just was working, but he didn't have to work. He just was doing something. So like when it came time to him to drive, he like sometimes he'll like stop at places, stop at people houses and all this. When we loaded, I'm back there asleep, and I wake up like, man, what the hell we at? Like I'm looking at my map on the phone, like, man, we supposed to be in New York, but we over here in Pennsylvania, like we way off. Uh, so he ended up messing us up where we wouldn't get loads because we're late for like our deliveries and stuff like that because he slacked off. I wasn't that type of person. I'm the type of person, if we got a load on the back of this truck, we ain't finna stop nowhere. We gonna make these deliveries. Now when we on our 34-hour reset, then cool, go do what you gotta do. But long as we got loads, money first. I'm about that bread. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Solo drive. Alright. So when you solo, whatever they tell you per mile, they say 60 cents, 70 cents per mile, that all goes to you. But you kind of limited because like when your hour's done, you're done. You gotta wait, until that your time come up again after your 10-hour break to be able to start making money again. Versus when you teaming, that truck still moving. So, all right. So next thing with solo, you alone. Like if you like not kind of like a loner, you need somebody with you all the time, or you like, just don't like being by yourself. Solo drive might not be for you because you out there. Sometimes you can't, like if you're working like a late shift or something like that, you can't get in contact with nobody because most people be asleep some of the times we work. So if you that type of person that just needy or just can't be by yourself, solo drive might not be for you. Um, but a good thing about that, it can be good or bad, but instead of you having to depend on other people, work ethic is all on you. So whatever kind of person you is, if you a hard worker, you out there, you know you gonna grind, is on you. You ain't gotta depend on nobody else. You know you gonna get it. You ain't gotta deal with nobody else. Hygiene. If you the type of person keep it clean, you gonna keep it clean. It's gonna all be just on you. Um, like I say before, it all lays on you what you want to do. Just make sure you always do your pros and cons on everything that you do when it comes to trucking, because you is your own business. If you're a company driver, if you're an owner operator, you still have to represent yourself as a business, because what you do is all going to depend on how much you make at the end. A lot of these companies, they go off of their emotion. If you the type of person that's not on time for your loads, or you just kind of slack out, that you don't care really like that, your time management ain't good, the company gonna make it hell for you. They gonna not give you loads half the time. They gonna make sure you don't make money. They gonna go over you to give all the loads out and put you last. And if you out here on the road to make money, that ain't gonna work for you. Um, Again, thank you for tuning in. If you ain't subscribed, go ahead and do that. Hit that like button if you know what I'm saying, liked it. You got any comments or questions, let me know. I'll get to it as soon as I can. Be safe out there.